Currently, Circle AI is invite only. So if you or one of your friend has access to it, make sure you utilize your 30 invites wisely. Although I've got an invite already from one of my friend, so I'm going to register with Circle AI like this. Great. Now I must have received an OTP code in order to register with Circle AI. I'll put my code here, verify myself. Once I verify, I will be taken to the onboarding steps where I can understand that there is no subscription, no commitment. I just have to add some credits into my account, and they have already added some credits into my account to utilize Circle AI. Okay, here I can either add credits or skip from this step. As I can see, they're using Stripe for adding secure payment gateway onto the portal. I can choose how much credit I want to add, or I can actually manually add the credit as per my requirement. Once I'm done adding the credit, I could go to the next step, and let's say I'll put my name here and then say if it's available and then save it. Voila, that's done. Completing setup. There you go. I'm logged in into my Circle AI dashboard. Now, here I can see some details about my profile, my API usage, and my recent activity. I go to Add API, name my API, Mac 2025, create, and there you go. My API is created. This is the API which I have to use on my desktop app. If you have any question, give me a shout in the comments. Cheers.